Galing! Kaya ko magpera padala kahit saan! Ako, any branch kahit tumanggap ng pera, cash agad. Win-win kayo sa Palawan Pay at Palawan Express Pera Padala. Online o offline, napakadali! Yun naman pala, mura pa! Kaya ipalawan mo na!
Good day, everyone. Welcome to our group presentation regarding Palawan Punch, which is a study of its significance and contributions in the Philippine financial system. Before we start, let me first introduce the proponents, starting with me, Ms. Trisha Bugnot, followed by Ms. Lei Erica Cayanan, Ms. Marivic, Ms. Sheila Mae Guiang, Ms. Nicole Macaraig, Ms. Sofia Angelica Melliza, and lastly, Ms. Antonette Yaguel. Before we delve further, at the end of the presentation, you should be able to show the origin of Palawan PAWNSHOP and how it expanded in the Philippines, examine its ownership structure, differentiate its services, and assess its role and contribution in the Philippine financial system. First, allow me to introduce PAWNSHOP. PAWNSHOP is a non-bank institution. It gives credit or services to the general public that banks do not necessarily offer. PAWNSHOP are usually the source of credit in the Philippines, as it provides an alternative source or access of credit to people who are not eligible for bank loans, as well as to low-income households or impoverished to have a financial safety net. However, like banks, PAWNSHOP is also regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. One of the known pawnshop in the Philippines is the Palawan Pawnshop, that is a privately owned enterprise or a family-owned business by Mr. and Mrs. Castro, which will be discussed more as we go into the presentation. Moreover, pawnshops provide loans through mortgaging assets or merchandise. It accepts valuable personal property or items in exchange for money or loans, such as electronics, jewelry, and more. But besides pawnbroking, pawnshops have expanded its services into money or international remittance, money transfer or change, and bills payment. Now, let's talk about some of the company background of Palawan Pawnshop. For the past 38 years, Palawan Pawnshop has been a one-stop money shop for Filipinos countrywide, providing a variety of financial services. It was established on August 17, 1985, offering only pawnbroking, which was founded first by the Rodriguez family in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, which was later on acquired, owned, and operated by Mr. Bobby and Mrs. Angelica Castro. It expanded its pawnbroking service and included money remittance service, which is now known as Palawan Express Pera Padala. Today, after more than 30 years in the industry providing services for Filipinos, it now offers international money remittance, foreign currency exchange, e-loading, bills payment, and accident insurance in all of its branches.
Good day everyone, I'm Lei Erica C. Cayanan, one of the presenters of the grim history of Palawan Pawnshop. Palawan Pawnshop was established in 1985 in Puerto Princesa City. The first branch is located along the city's main road, Rizal Avenue. In 1993, Palawan started to computerize its operation, further ensuring the public fast, accurate, and reliable service. In 1997, the management established Far West Lending Investor (FLI), now known as Far West Lending Investors Development Incorporation, a business affiliate of Palawan Pawnshop, significantly supported the company's expansion program. In 1998, the head office was transferred to Palawan Pawnshop Building at 170 Rizal Avenue, Puerto Princesa City. It expanded its operation in Negros Occidental, opening 3 branches in Victoria, Silay, and Cadiz. Also, the Palawan Pawnshop Scholarship Program started. In 2000, Palawan published the first issue of its official newsletter, Then Yet Unnamed, now known as Balitang 24K. The paper publishes interesting development about the company. In 2003, Palawan Pawnshop started Palawan Express Pera Padala, a domestic money remittance business, with initial operations between Puerto Princesa and Cuyo in Palawan. In 2004, Palawan Pawnshop officially launched Palawan Express Pera Padala in all of its branches, delivering cheap, fast and reliable money transfer service to the public. Entered into business partnership to expand its remittance network in Luzon. It now has over 1,000 agents, partners carrying Palawan Express. It also opened their first branch in Metro Manila, the Palawan Pawnshop in España. In 2008, Palawan Pawnshop launched a customer choice package and offered the public tiered loans with the terms 1 to 11 days, 12 to 22 days, 23 to 33 days, with effective monthly interest of 2.73%. This was a pioneering move that dramatically changed the competitive landscape of the pawnshop industry. It also acquired and deployed its first Ronda Cab in the Iloilo area for grassroots advertising and promotional activities. In 2009, it began its automated system of notifying or reminding its owners via text broadcast. In 2010, it marked the silver year of Palawan Pawnshop and had grown to 566 branches all over the country. Palawan Pawnshop Academy was established, hitting the growing need of continuous training and development for associates. It also started to venture into foreign exchange business, which piloted in selected branches in Metro Manila. In 2011, a new Palawan Express Pera Padala program was launched to address the increasing volume of remittance transactions. Budding on the stands believed that its workforce are part of its big family and partners in the company's continuing growth and success, employees are addressed as associates. Making a big and bold move, branches began to operate 7 days a week. In 2012, Express Pera Padala was relaunched as Palawan Express Pera Padala, PEPP, with a brand new logo. Palawan Pawnshop embarked on its first national TV advertising campaign. The company inaugurated the 5-story Cebu Regional Center in Mandaue City.
Greetings, I'm Angela Marivic A. David, the other presenter of the firm's history and the first in the group to discuss the vision of Palawan Pawnshop. 2013 changed the landscape of the remittance businesses by ushering in the PPS My Wallet card, which is a remittance card, Visa card, ATM card, and a Suki card rolled into one. 2014 introduced its very own Suki card, fostering continued patronage among customers. Palawan also partnered with UPB Gen to offer microinsurance services in branches under the name PPS, PEPP, Protect Todo. It also forged a tied-up with the prestigious SM Group of companies to make Palawan Express Pera Padala Money remittances available in malls nationwide. 2015 celebrated its 30th year of exceptional service. It also conducted a Takbo Palawenyo Fun Run, community services, and held a star-studded Bonggang Handog Pasasalamat concert in Puerto Princesa City Coliseum. 2016 launched its Smart Money Padala and encashment in selected areas of Luzon, where it also welcomed an additional Palawan Pawnshop family in the person of Benji Paras as their new brand ambassador. 2017 celebrated its opening of 2,000 regular branch and launched the 4 Customers' Choice package for different pawning needs, and celebrated its 32nd year of exceptional service. 2018 launched its remittance partnership with Robinson and 7-Eleven. It also implemented the computerized accounting system and launched the book entitled An Entrepreneur Journey by Palawan's President and CEO Bobby L. Castro. 2019 introduced the newest Protect Todo insurance policy, Sulit 5, for all remittances, domestic and international, on foreign currency, exchange, and other services in the branch. 2020 launched BPI to cash remittance services and Palawan Express online padala. It is also the launch of Palawan Pawnshop online jewelry on Facebook. First vision, to be the customer's choice and become the leading money shop in the Philippines, offering superior and advanced technology-assisted financial services.
Hey everyone, my name is Sheila Mae M. Guiang. I'll discuss the mission and the core values of Palawan Pawnshop. So the first mission of Palawan Pawnshop is the statement emphasizes Palawan Pawnshop commitment to delivering high-quality products and services to its customers. Palawan Pawnshop aims to meet the needs and expectations of its customers while maintaining a sustainable and profitable business model. It reflects Palawan Pawnshop focus on innovations and technological advancement. It continuously improves its operations and services by adopting and integrating new technologies to enhance the customer experience. The Palawan Pawnshop dedications to its customers and its goal of improving the financial well-being of Filipinos, it recognizes the importance of providing accessible financial services to its customers. It reflects the commitments to its employees or associates. The Palawan Pawnshop aims to create a supportive and values-driven work environment that fosters the professional development and growth of the workforce. This mission statement emphasizes Palawan's role as a financial services provider that aims to connect various stakeholders, including individuals, businesses, and organizations through a secure, accessible, and convenient platform. Palawan Pawnshop commitment to corporate social responsibility and desire to give back. The company focuses on supporting initiatives related to education, sports development, and environment protections as a part of its CSR efforts. The dedications to promoting patriotism and upholding Filipino values, which are likely integral to the company's culture and operation. The mission of Palawan Pawnshop is to ensure strict adherence to all relevant laws, rules, and regulations in their business operations. Palawan Pawnshop prioritizes honesty and integrity to build the trust with customers. Fair play ensure that all transactions are conducted ethically and transparently. Humility guides Palawan Pawnshop to treat everyone with respect and humility. Compassion drives Palawan Pawnshop to serve customers with empathy and understanding. Palawan Pawnshop strives for excellence and competence in all its services. This spirit and teamwork create a supportive environment for employees. Commitment and passion fuel Palawan Pawnshop dedication to its missions. Customer focus ensures that Palawan Pawnshop consistently meets the needs of its clients.
Hello everyone, I'm Nicole Macaraig. In this report, I will discuss the ownership structure of Palawan PAWNSHOP and the various products and services it provides. Ownership structure. Palawan PAWNSHOP operates under the legal framework of a sole proprietorship, implying that it functions as an entity that is non-registered and unincorporated. This structure signifies that the business is directly owned and managed by spouses Bobby and Angelica Castro, the founders of the pawnshop. Within this framework, there exists no legal differentiation between the business entity and its proprietors, meaning that the personal assets and liabilities of the owners are directly tied to those of the business itself. As I mentioned earlier, Palawan Pawnshop was founded by spouses Bobby Lopez Castro, who serves as the CEO and president, and Angelita Maligalig Castro, the vice president of the company. Through their dedication and vision, they transformed Palawan Pawnshop Palawan Express Pera Padala into a market leader in both the pawning and domestic money remittance sectors in the Philippines. Their strategic efforts have resulted in an extensive network of 3,554 company-owned branches and outlets, along with 6,560 partner locations, catering to the remittance needs of OFW families nationwide. Moving forward, we will differentiate the range of product and services offered by Palawan Pawnshop. First, we have Pawning. Palawan Pawnshop offers high appraisal rates and low interest rates, making it a popular choice for people who need quick cash by using their valuable items as collateral. Next, we have Money Remittance. When it comes to money transfer and recipients, Palawan Express Pera Padala offered by Palawan Pawnshop is the largest and quickest way for domestic money transfers in the Philippines. It's perfect for people who need to send money quickly and securely. Next, we have Suki Card. As a token of appreciation, Palawan Pawnshop presents its lifetime loyalty card for all valued customers. Let customers enjoy exclusive rewards and benefits with every transaction, making their experience even more rewarding. Next, we have International Remittance. With international remittance partners, Palawan Pawnshop facilitates seamless money transfers internationally, ensuring that customers can support their loved ones abroad with ease. Next, we have currency exchange. In terms of expanding its services, Palawan Pawnshop now facilitates foreign currency exchange alongside its existing services like pawning and remittance. Next, we have e-loading. In addition to its core services, Palawan Pawnshop offers e-loading, simplifying mobile internet, cable television, and online gaming subscriptions for its customers. Next, we have POS withdrawal. Palawan Pawnshop provides point-of-sale terminals for easy cash withdrawals at select branches and nationwide locations, enabling customers to withdraw cash effortlessly, enhancing accessibility to their funds. Next, we have accident insurance. Palawan Pawnshop provides flexible and budget-friendly accident insurance plans as well, offering financial security to Filipinos during unforeseen circumstances. Next, we have bank transfer. Palawan Pawnshop's Padala to Bank account service simplifies money transfers and remittances, offering customers a convenient option to send funds directly to bank accounts. Last but not the least, bills payment. Palawan Pawnshop offers bills payment services from utility bills to individual payments. Customers can conveniently settle all bills in one location, saving them time and effort.
Good day everyone, I'm Sofia Melliza, and now I will discuss the roles and contributions in the Philippine financial system of Palawan PAWNSHOP. Palawan PAWNSHOP plays a significant role in the Philippine financial system by providing accessible financial services to Filipinos, especially in underserved areas. Despite the presence of a variety of banks, PAWNSHOP are still play an important role in the economy by lending to people who would otherwise fail to qualify for bank loans. PAWNSHOP are popular among Filipinos who are in quick need of money because loans are granted without the need for a credit investigation. When it comes to financial inclusion, it contributes by offering services such as pawning, remittance, bills payment, and microinsurance. These services cater to the needs of Filipinos who may not have access to traditional banking services. In financial stability, Palawan PAWNSHOP contributes to financial stability by providing a safe and regulated environment for financial transactions. By adhering to government regulation and implementing robust security measures, Palawan PAWNSHOP ensures the integrity of its operations, protecting the both PAWNSHOP and its customers from financial risk. While in remittance services, the company's remittance service, Palawan Express Pera Padala, facilitate the transfer of funds from Filipinos working abroad to their families back home. This plays a vital role in supporting the economy through the inflow of remittances, which contribute significantly to household income and overall economic growth. In community development, it contributes to the economic development of communities by providing financial services that enable individuals to invest. Next is convenience and accessibility. Its extensive network of branches, including in remote areas, Palawan Township makes financial services more accessible to Filipinos across the country. This accessibility is crucial for people who may not have easy access to banks or other financial institutions. Now, Palawan Pawnshop is one of the largest pawnshop chains in the country, with over 3,000 branches nationwide. Liquidity provisions. Pawnbroking services offered by Palawan Pawnshop contributes to liquidity in the economy by providing individuals with a means to convert their assets into cash quickly when needed. Next is access to credit. Palawan Pawnshop provides a valuable source of credit for individuals who may not have access to formal banking services or who may not qualify for loans from traditional financial institutions. By accepting personal items as collateral, Palawan Pawnshop enables customers to secure short-term loans quickly and easily. Lastly is the microfinance, which also provides microfinance services, including small loans to individual and small businesses. These microloans help entrepreneurs start or expand their businesses, contributing to economic development at the grassroots of level. Impact on consumer spending and economic growth. If Palawan Farm Shop fails to exist, consumer spending behaviors, especially those involving low-income earners and middle-class families who make use of its services for transactions or emergencies, will not be similar anymore. As understood by many economists, the key drivers behind Philippines' economic activity is consumption expenditure. Hence, should this happen, then general economic growth will be hampered. Apart from that, the absence of Palawan Farm Shop may have an impact on the supply chain and business continuity of those firms which depend upon them for finance or liquidity. Remittance services. It frequently acts as a conduit for remittances where Filipinos receive money from relatives employed abroad. If Palawan Farm Shop disappeared, then the flow of remittances will be interrupted, which means many families that rely on these funds for daily living costs like food, school fees, and medical care or other things or investment will feel the pinch. This is likely to affect domestic consumption patterns and overall economic activities. Financial inclusion. Palawan Township is a proponent for financial inclusion. It caters for the unserved and unbanked populations, mainly in rural and far-flung areas. Its non-existence would make financial inclusion worsen. Hence, many people will be left without access to basic financial services like saving accounts, remittance services, and bill payment facilities. That could slow down promotion of financial literacy and inclusion, failing thus to close socioeconomic gaps, as it might have been intended. Then loss of employment. Palawan Township has branches all over the country where it employs a significant number of people to work in front of office positions at capital-intensive manufacturing plants, among other positions held by individuals, playing various roles such as serving customers or counters, workplace support staff, and supervisors. If it gets closed, job will be lost, leading to unemployment. Among these employees, that would lower household income levels and alter consumers' expenditure patterns, which in turn may lead to economic hardships and social unrest within affected areas. Access to credit. Palawan Pawn Shop serves as a highly important way for accessing credit, especially by persons who can access traditional banking institutions or those with very little security. Micro and small businesses, finance entrepreneurship, and personal finance may not be possible if there were no Palawan Pawn Shop to offer loans and other forms of financial aid for them. This will affect, in certain cases, the economic growth of sectors dependent on micro and small businesses.
And now, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Antonette Yaguel, who will discuss the difference of Palawan Pawnshop to its community, public, and government. First, Palawan Pawnshop provides easy, fast microloans with low rates and high appraisal. Accessible, favorable, and efficient microloans are provided by Palawan Pawnshop. The business approves loans quickly through a simplified appraisal process and low interest rates, empowering individual, entrepreneur, and small enterprises in needs of immediate financial support, regardless of whether the fund is needed for a startup business, family needs, or emergency situation. It offers exclusively and dependable solutions to financial assistance that encourages local community resilience and economic development. It also has an extensive branch network providing excellent service. It facilitates public access to financial services by having many convenient locations as well as good customer service. In addition, this enables people from different regions to have reliable financial services, promoting inclusiveness and stable finances. And employee focus with emphasis on education, sports, and the environment. Palawan Pawnshop is very concerned about its employees' welfare as well as their development. Palawan has created a work environment where learning should never stop, physical well-being should always be maintained, and environment concerns should always be taken care of. Through education, sporty activities, among other initiatives, Palawan Pawnshops invest in employee development and provides work-life balance. This creates the enthusiastic workforce that is committed to both personal achievements and organizational sustainability. And lastly, distribution hub for government cash aid. It is also used as a channel for cash transfers and ensures that these benefits are distributed to qualified beneficiaries in a transparent and efficient manner. Through its extensive branch network and strong operational setup, Palawan ensures prompt and secure delivery of governmental subsidies to beneficiaries with the aim of reducing poverty and meeting social welfare objectives. Additionally, by partnering with government agencies, Palawan Pawnshop continues to demonstrate its dedication to inclusive financial services and community development, while acting as a vital role in boosting socio-economic resilience as well as empowerment. In summary, beyond the provision of financial services, Palawan Pawnshop contributes positively to its society, public at large, government agencies through its inclusive financial, empowerment, services, excellence, employee well-being, and engagement in social welfare programs. And this is some of our references which help you to explore more about Palawan Pawnshop. And thank you for listening. Bye!